Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 Mountain Cassette. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Sunshine Speed XD Cassette. Specifications. Brand name, aliexpress. Model number, cordless jigsaw. Usage, renovation team. Is customized, yes. Max. Cutting depth, 65 mm. No load speed, 2700 RPM. Frequency, 50 to 60 Hz. Application, wood saw. Rated voltage, 18 V. Power source, battery. Saw type, JIG saw. Weight, 1.8 kilograms. Item number 4 is Sunshine MTB Bicycle CNC XD. Specifications. Model number, Sunshine 12 Speed Cassette. Is customized, yes. Sensitivity, 72 sounds. Material, steel. Gear teeth, 11-50T. Freewheel speed, 12. Components, freewheel. As the item number 3 we've selected, Shimano XTR CS M9101. Specifications. Brand name, Shimano. Model number, CS M9100-12. Type, MTB Bike Freewheel. Flywheel adjustable gear number, 12. Material, alloy. Gear teeth, 10-51T. Components, freewheel. Item number 2 is ZTTO MTB 12 Speed 10-52T 10-50T. Specifications. Brand name, ZTTO. Model number, ZTTO 12's 10-52T ULT. Is customized, yes. Sensitivity, 108 sounds. Material, steel. Gear teeth, 10-52T. Freewheel speed, 12. Components, freewheel. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Speedeo MTB Bicycle Cassette. Specifications. Model number, 11-50T. Is customized, yes. Sensitivity, 108 sounds. Material, steel. Gear teeth, 11-50T. Freewheel speed, 12. Components, freewheel.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.